Most people think they don't like duck, but the truth is they've just never had it cooked properly. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make duck properly. Rich flavor, beautiful color, crispy skin. One simple trick, we're gonna cure it. Let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours overnight. Let that moisture sort of start to come out of the skin, dry it out a little bit, start seasoning the duck inside. Second step is we're going to poach the duck in sweet honey water. That's gonna tighten the skin up a little bit, help it get crispy when it goes in the oven. Poach it for about 2 or 3 minutes, take it out. Once it comes out of that poaching liquid, we are then gonna put it back into a fridge or a dry ager for another 24 hours to get that skin nice and dry all the way around on a rack, so you have air circulation all the way around the bird. And that's gonna just, again, help with the skin getting crispy, the caramelization. So this is a 3-day process, all right? This is a Rohan duck. It's a cross between a mallard and a Peking duck. We're gonna take the wishbone out of the duck. So here you have the duck. This is the back of the duck where the legs are, and this is the front. This is where the neck of the duck is. What you wanna do basically is fold that skin over so you can expose right here, the top. Now, what you're gonna find right here is the wishbone. Now, you want to remove the wishbone when you're cooking whole poultry and you're planning on carving it whole. When you go to take the breast off after, if the wishbone's there, it stops you from going straight down and getting a really nice portion of the breast. You end up having to go along the wishbone and you lose a significant amount of meat. When you take the wishbone out, what you really want to do is just scrape it. You can feel the bone. You start to see the bone. Now, if this is a big bird, you might have to cut into it a little bit, but you want to scrape it so you can see what you're working with. Just cut around it. Then once you have it released, just go like this, pop it straight down, and pull it out. All right. All this extra skin is a little bit unnecessary for this dish. Wrap that skin around. Get this on a tray. Get a bunch of salt on it. So I just have kosher salt here. Just get a good amount of salt on it. We're gonna cure it overnight. Everywhere, top, bottom. Don't be shy with it. And then you just want to kind of massage it in a little bit. Now with duck, I prefer to salt cure it than brine it. What you want with duck is crispy skin. Kind of want to get rid of the moisture as much as possible from the skin, and putting salt on it really helps with that process. Now look, just like that, in the fridge for 24 hours. Been resting in the fridge 24 hours with salt on it. It started to draw some of the moisture out of the duck. Now we need to poach the duck lightly in simmering water with honey. So here I have 3 kilos of plain water, and I've got 400 grams of honey. The water's not boiling, all right? You kind of want it simmering. You want about 90 degrees. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna tighten up the skin, all right? It's gonna remove some impurities from the duck, render any sort of subcutaneous fat, any unnecessary fat that you don't want before the cooking process. It's not really gonna cook it, it's gonna lightly cook it. More than anything, what it's gonna add to is just a more refined finished product, a crispier skin, a nicer texture. I'm gonna set a 3-minute timer. 3 minutes, see it's still raw, it's not fully cooked, just had time to tighten the skin up a little bit, render some of the fat out, and also that honey is now all the way around the duck. It's gonna help it caramelize in the oven. Get this in the fridge until tomorrow, 24 hours, all right? All right, guys, so it's been 24 hours, duck's dry, it's gonna go in the oven, 35 minutes at 400 degrees, and another 45 minutes at 300 degrees. I've let it rest now for about 35 minutes, all right? So it's not gonna start pouring out steam as soon as I carve into it. The skin looks amazing. This is the color that you're looking for. Yeah, dark brown, delicious, okay? The only thing left to do is carve it, serve it, and eat it. Remove the wing. Remove the leg. Now with the leg, you want to carve the thigh bone out and the leg bone out. So what you're left with, deboned leg and thigh. Remember, you remove that wishbone, so this will now be easier. So it's half a bird for one portion. A wing, a leg and a thigh, and a breast. Coffee and orange sauce. Just like every good dish that came out of this time period, give it a classic garnish with some parsley sprigs and a slice of orange. Chinese lacquered duck. Take this beautiful slice of orange and just drizzle that bit. Gonna remind it who's the boss. Then you want to take a little ducky duck. That's delicious.